Hi, I'm Elodie. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn the dance U. So it's mostly on the floor and it's a bit rough for the knees. Yeah, so make sure you wear knee pads. I'm wearing knee pads under my tights. If you don't have them, that's okay. Maybe just wear a lot of layers like tights, sweatpants, whatever you have. Also, this is the tutorial only, so if you want to practice with the music, you can check my shorts. The links are in the description below. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also important, before we start, don't forget to warm up properly. All right, so we're ready to start. So we're gonna do mirrored, meaning you just copy what I do, yeah? So this is your right, and this is your left. So we're going to start and we're going to lift the right leg, bending the knee. Yes, boom, come back. With your arms doing curve and come back. Yeah, like that. Yes, so it's slow, like it is in suspension. Pum. And then we start. We're going to do on the one, we're going to do 4 open, close, open your knees, close, open your knees, close, open. 4 times, yes, and you go down a little bit more every time, yes? So, pam, 2, 3, 4 times. With the arms, doing on the first one, we're gonna do 1, so bend the left arm, bend the right arm. If you want, you can do fist, yes? So, bend the left arm, bend the right arm, cross, open on your shoulder, and then on your knees. Yes, so left, right, cross, and on your knees. Again, left, right, cross, and on your knee. Let's try the legs and the arms together. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, one more time. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. If you want, you can add also slightly a little bit of your torso, popping the chest, popping out and coming back when you do that move. Yeah. One last time. So with the first move, yeah, and suspend, and 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're gonna put your right hand on the floor and right knee on the floor and slide on it. Yeah? Again, so you're here and you're gonna slide on your knee. Yes? While you do that, your head is gonna roll down to the right. Yeah, down to the right. And the hand, left hand, is gonna go around your head to finish here on your chest, yeah, on the left side. Yeah, so you were here and you're gonna do slide. Yeah, one more time. From here and slide. Once you're here, you're gonna put your butt down, up, down. Yeah, it's gonna be on the 7, 8. So we arrived here on 4. You're gonna slide 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, that little part, and we're gonna link it with the beginning. So we're here on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, from the top. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're gonna roll the head. Same thing. Yes? So we're gonna go down a little bit to your right down, and you're gonna look forward. Yeah, so from here to the right, down, boom. And your right facing the left side, right leg is bent, left leg is straight. Yeah, and you're gonna push on your hands and go up, look at the ceiling, and come back. Yeah? So again, we were here, and we do 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? Let's do again from when we on the with the legs open in the pliés. Yeah? So we do and 1, down, down, head, push, come back. Yeah? After that, we're gonna do with the head going down to the right, and it's gonna make you turn. Yes? So down to the right, and you're gonna arrive on your knees, and with the right hand in front, yeah, of the left hand. Yeah? So prepare here. When you're here, make sure before you turn that your hand is already in the right position. Yes? And boom. Yes, so when you arrive, you don't have to adjust it, yes? Otherwise, you can adjust it and put it a little bit forward. It doesn't really matter, yeah? So, we were on 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah? From here, we're gonna arch the back and round the back. Ideally, still looking forward. Yeah, so you arrive on 6 and you do 7, 8. Yeah? Again, after the slide. Yes, and we 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, let's do that from the top. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, push, 3, 4, head, 5, 6, 7, arch, 8, round. Yeah? I'm going to continue. After that, you're going to do some kind of wave. Yeah, like a small wave. And you're going to put your right cheek on the floor. Yes? And your feet are going to lift. Yeah? So from here, you're going to do this. Yeah, so you were here. So wave, and you're gonna slide slowly on your knees and fall to the side. Yeah? Don't fall too hard because you're gonna have bruises tomorrow otherwise. Yeah? So we finished on 7, 8. Then we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that movement with the knee sliding a little bit is until count 6, and you're gonna fall to your side on count 7. Yeah? So again. So I'm doing it a bit slower right now. Yes, with the music, it's gonna be a bit faster. So that moment is not gonna be as long as it is gonna be now. Yeah? So we've done 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? By the time you fall, your feet are still gonna be up. Yeah? They never touch the floor, only when you fall to the side. Yeah? So when after you fall to the side on 7, that is just a transition. So you don't stop here. Yeah? You just continue rolling on your back and you're gonna extend the left leg. Yes? So you were here is gonna be 7, 8. Yeah, so it's just a transition, you don't stop on the 7. 7, 8. Yeah? Again, from after we slide at the beginning. So we were here and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Then you come back. 1, 2. Yes. Then you're gonna go on your hands like this. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, and you're gonna push on your hands to stand on your feet. 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8 to come back, and we're done. Yeah, that's it. So again, after we've done until 6 and we fall 7, 8, come back straight. 1, 2, head, push. Yeah, so you do your head and you push at the same time on your hands. Yeah, push, boom, on your feet and come back up. Yeah, so let's do again slowly from the beginning. So suspend and 1, 2, 3, 4, slide 5, 6, 7, 8. Head 1, 2, up 3, 4, 5, 6, arch 7, round 8. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're gonna hold on 7, 8. Come back 1, 2, head 3, push 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? One more time. And suspend. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide with the head. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll with your head. 5, 6, arch 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? Let's do that one last time. Let's try slightly faster. And suspend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, please don't forget to subscribe. I post new dance tutorials every week, adapted to beginners as well, and I'd love to have you in the community. It generally helps me keep making these videos for free. Thank you for watching. Bye!